Okay, so this is where the fun really starts. I want to customize my left-hand menu bar. So for example, I'm going to say all my users that visit my site, it's a really important thing that I have a really quick link for them to get back to my website so that they can have a look at our main page or maybe our events calendar, whatever it might be. I want them to be able to get there, and I want a menu option in my menu bar that's going to make it really easy for them. One click, doesn't matter what page they're on within my LMS, they're going to be able to get back to that website when they need to. So I'm going to use my eCreators website. So we've gone to our website, and I'm just going to copy the URL here. So I've just done a copy on that, and we'll go back into my site here. All right, so to edit and to customize my menu bar, I'm simply going to go down and open the administration drop down here, and I'm going to go to the option that says menu management. We'll click on that. And here we have all our menu bars. So here's our existing menu bar that's sitting here right now. We can see the items that have been expanded out. So we can see my users like we discussed, and all the admin tasks here as well. Want to change the order of something? Simply click, hold and drag. So if I want to say move my certificates down the page and put it below the Academy YouTube there, click, hold and drag using the crosshairs on the left hand side. Want to delete a menu option? So if you don't want it there anymore, click the delete icon. If you want to edit one of the menu options, so maybe you'd like to call it My Calendar, or you might like to call it Calendar of Events or something like that, click the edit icon. When you click the edit icon, it'll bring you up to the top here, which is where we actually set the actual specifications for this particular menu. So currently it says calendar, so I might want it to say calendar of events. Maybe I want to update the link or change the link, and potentially I want to change the icon as well. So we have all those options here. Once you're done, you click update, and you'll see now that my calendar in this menu bar says calendar of events. Now, so just one thing to be aware of is that when you do make changes and you update these changes, like say for example, I've changed calendar of events here, it hasn't changed it out in the menu bar yet. But that's okay, nothing's wrong. It's just that once I have finished making all the changes that I want, I need to go to the bottom and click submit. So you make all the changes, do your rearranging, renaming, etc., and then submit it at the end. So the main thing that I was doing in here was that I wanted to add a new label and a new menu item. So this one it's going to be called eCreators Live Site. So this is going to be our website, for example. So I type in the actual label name. So that's the name that's going to appear in the menu bar. I go across to the link, and I'm just going to paste that link in that I copied before. So it's just the link to our website. And then I'm going to go through and pick maybe what do I want to have as the icon. So what's the icon that's going to appear? And also then when I collapse the menu bar, this is the icon that will show up as well. So as you can see, there's heaps of them in here. There's 786 at the moment, and this list is growing all the time. And I might just want to say, for the sake of this, I might pick this little road icon there. So that's what my little icon's going to be. So really easy. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't have to create these at all. They're all sitting there waiting for you. Now, if it was a site administration or a task that you wanted to restrict just to the administrators of the site only, so for example, my users or admin, I have the ability when creating that menu bar to tick admin only. So when I tick admin only, that will now mean that unless you're a site administrator only, you won't have access to it. So you won't see it at all. So a learner or something like that, they don't even know that the My Users tab exists or that the administration tab exists. They just don't know it. Now, once I'm done, so I want to leave this obviously open to everybody. I want everybody to see this. So I'm going to click add, and I'm going to add that in. So if I now scroll to the bottom, you'll see that eCreators Live Site is now here with the logo that I've picked. Nice and easy. And I might say that I want that to appear maybe up a bit. Oh, sorry, scrolled the wrong way. We'll go up a bit further, and we'll put it right up under the home page here, because that's a really important feature. So under home, I want everybody to be able to see the eCreators Live Site. Scroll to the bottom of my page and click submit. All the menu items were saved successfully, and if you now have a look here down the left hand side, there's the eCreators Live Site, and if we scroll down, we have calendar of events. That's now been changed. And for example, just to prove my point, let's click on eCreators Live Site. It's going to reload the page and take us straight to that website there. So that's how easy and how user friendly it is for you to be able to customize that home page or that menu bar for the users within your site.